Vampire, flown by Mr. Jerry Conley. Amazing about this aircraft, it was one of the first generation jet engine, the Goblin 35.
Sitting in is balsa wood and plywood.
Wow, Jerry, I guess the folks are here looking to make sure we heard you. The fuselage is balsa wood and plywood. That's amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, as Jerry is completing that nice slow roll, this is going to give us a silhouette of that Vampire aircraft. All right, ladies and gentlemen, count them with me. Here we go. Jerry, there's one. There's two. Come on, I can't hear you. There's three. And there's four. That's an amazing feat, ladies and gentlemen. Watch here, ladies and gentlemen, as Jerry is down low across the Airshow Center. He pulls back on the stick, begins to pull upward. He's going to show you the half Cuban 8. It's going to start out looking like a loop. Watch as he gets to the top of the aircraft.
Now as we go up over the top with the smoke on, we look down at everybody. We up the nose drop, roll to the 45 down line, and then wash and repeat.
Looking good so far, Jerry.
This aircraft is actually the great-great-grandfather of every motor fighter plane today.
Well, Jerry, you're looking pretty good. Not you, but the airplane's looking pretty good for its age. Spectacular display here in the Great Texas sky today.
Well, we absolutely love keeping this history available. The airplane is only one. We have 5 of the airplanes. There was 5,000 built, and this is one of 7 left remaining in the world.
Great look at the Havilland Vampire. For an aircraft of its day, it absolutely was spectacular. Here he is, roll that. Roll that. This is the backbone of America's long-range bomber force. It can rapidly deliver massive quantities of precision and non-precision weapons against an adversary anywhere in the world at any time. One of the Air Force increased bomber types, which also include the B-2 Spirit and the B-52 Stratoforges. The B-1 is a highly versatile multi-mission weapon system that has synthetic aperture radars capable of tracking